The courtroom doors swing open. Judge Vonda B. takes the bench. The atmosphere is tense as a grandmother. Miss Wilson steps forward, not for herself but for the child she's been raising. Her son is off serving in the military. The child's mother? Absent. In school, and not providing a dime.
All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B. is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1072, Wilson case.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I have a son named Tanner Wilson, and
Okay.
he has a daughter with Nikki. And Tanner is in the military. Nikki is off at school, but she's not helping do anything. I've been raising their child for the past 6 months, so I'm not getting any help or assistance or anything from her.
Okay.
So I need some type of child support from her.
And where is Tanner?
Tanner's in the military.
Oh, he's
in the military.
So when you say he's in the military, he's away in the military?
Yes, he
Okay.
is.
All right. And Nikki, does she visit with the child? Does she bring you any groceries?
She doesn't do anything. I mean, she went off.
Miss Wilson lays it out. 2-year-old Sterling has been in her care for 6 months. Daycare costs alone run $800 a month, and she's covering every penny. Meanwhile, Nikki, the child's mother, is off in New York, attending school, occasionally visiting town, but not her daughter. The courtroom murmurs at the revelation. Nikki comes home but doesn't even see her child.
To school. She's in New York, so she'll come home sometimes and get her on, breaks or something. But half the time when she's home on breaks, I don't even know she's home.
Oh, wow.
So she doesn't really do much of anything for Sterling.
So she will come into town and not see her child?
Yes.
How old is Sterling?
She's 2.
Okay. 2 years old. Does she go to daycare or anything?
Yeah, she goes to daycare, and I pay for all of that.
How much is daycare?
Oh, gosh, $200 a week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty expensive.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to Miss Nikki?
I just, see her like on all these TikTok videos and on Facebook where she's partying and clubbing. I mean, I get it. You're in college and you want to have fun, but don't forget that you have a responsibility.
Okay.
You still have a child at home that needs you.
Judge Vonda turns to Nikki, cutting straight to the heart of it. Why are you not being a good mom? The room goes quiet. Nikki defends herself. She's a full-time student, but her words falter. She didn't want to be a mom, she says. The judge doesn't blink. But the baby is here now. Nikki struggles to justify her actions. Her reasons sound more like excuses.
A mother needs some help,
And
so
I agree with that.
yeah, she's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, why are you not being a good mom?
It's not that I'm not being a good mom, it's just that I'm in school full time.
Okay.
And
So being in school full time means you can't be a mom?
well, I'm away at school. So on my breaks, I go home.
Away at school means you cannot be a good mom?
I am a good mom. I am going to school full time. The point is when I got pregnant, I didn't want to have a child. I was in school. I didn't want that for myself.
Okay, but the baby is here now.
She is.
She's 2. So besides going to school, what else do you have that defines you as a good mom?
I mean, I do what I can.
Nikki says there was an agreement. Miss Wilson wanted to raise the child. But the judge sees right through it. This wasn't a legally binding plan. It was a grandmother trying to help her overwhelmed son and his girlfriend. Nikki's tone grows defensive. The judge, unwavering, presses on. So another year? Another excuse?
As in what?
As in,
She just said
she's here
that,
now.
excuse me, she just said that you are not providing any financial information and you barely come to visit the child when you're in town.
Like I said, when I got pregnant, I did not want a baby. She was like, I want a granddaughter. And I was like, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, I get it. So because you didn't want Sterling and she did, she is
We had a
her
whole agreement
responsibility.
before this. Like, she was like, I'll take care of her. I wanted another child.
Right, she will take care of her. I don't
Yes.
believe she thought that she was going to be raising another child on her own. Am I right about that?
Yes.
She
We
is
had
a
this
grandmother.
conversation. I'm in school full time. I told her I
How
can't.
long do you have left in school?
I have a year left.
So Sterling is going.
Nikki tries to reclaim ground. She says she FaceTimes, that she's doing her best. But the facts stack against her. The judge lays them out. No visits. No financial support. No responsibility. And now, the social media posts. Nikki admits she's an influencer, but claims she's not making money.
to
That
be
doesn't
with
sit well
her
with the judge.
Another year. And
Make
then
it make
another year,
sense,
and
she
another
says
year,
flatly.
She's just going to raise the baby.
No, I will have a job by then. I'll be working.
Okay.
She's 2. She won't remember any of this.
I'm just going to play like you did not say that.
She won't. I mean, I when I go home, I see her. We FaceTime. All of that.
You
I mean,
obviously came here
when
to waste
I-
my time.
No, I'm not. I mean, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand either because you said as I was saying and you still haven't said anything.
I said what I had to say.
This-
I'm in school full time. What do I do?
Take care of your child. You can.
I do the best that I can.
Okay. So is it true what she said about you being on social media, going to clubs and all that kind of stuff?
Yes, I am a influencer. So I
So,
try to get
wait a
brand
minute,
deals.
hold on. You said you're in school full time, you don't work?
Nikki's story starts to unravel. She admits she gets paid sometimes. Maybe $2,000 a month, but Miss Wilson hasn't seen a single cent. Nikki blames textbooks, tuition, loans, but Judge Vonda cuts to the core. Your books cost $2,000? The courtroom shifts, sympathy fades, reality sets in.
Correct.
But influencers get paid.
I haven't gotten
Come
paid
on,
in a
make
while.
it make sense.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
But you get paid
Yes.
and you can send money for Sterling, right?
Yes, and I do.
And you don't.
I do.
That's not what she just said. So is she being untruthful? Or
I
are
do.
you
I
being
do what I can.
untruthful?
I am in school full time. I don't know what else. This is so crazy to me. Like why we're right here right now because
We're here right now because grandmother needs some financial
grandmother
assistance for her
chose
child.
this life. Grandmother chose the life.
You know what?
I didn't choose this life. However, I love my daughter to pieces. I don't regret anything. However, I would have liked to wait.
So
you know-
grandmother chose this life.
Yes, grandmother wanted to take care of her. It's okay.
The tension spikes. Nikki accuses the grandmother of changing her mind. Miss Wilson stays calm. The judge does not. You are the mom. She is the grandmother. What part of that don't you understand? The courtroom falls silent again. It's a moment of truth. Nikki may not like the situation, but the judge is about to make it very real.
Hey, I'll take care of her while you're in school. And all of a sudden, something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Can you believe this?
I really can't. I mean, I expected you to help at least. Of course,
I
I'm not
have
going
a year
to.
left. I do what I can.
So Sterling
So
is.
it's a year left
this-
of her taking care of your
Exactly.
daughter, you and Tanner's daughter.
This is what you wanted.
But I thought
You
you were going to
said that
help
you were
and
gonna
be.
take care
I
of
thought
her.
you were going to still be a good
Ooh,
mom
Miss
to
Nikki,
Sterling.
you are
though.
so unbelievable right
Yes.
now. You are the mom. She is the grandmother.
Exactly.
What part of that don't you understand?
I understand all of it. We had a whole agreement that she would raise the child until I was out of school. So when I come home, I do see my child. I do.
Barely.
You know what?
But I don't know what changed. I don't know if she got a little boyfriend or something.
What difference would it make if she had a boyfriend? That is
Because
none of
she
your
chose
business.
this life.
Child support is coming. The judge makes it clear Miss Wilson didn't have to do this. She chose to step up, but that doesn't absolve Nikki or Tanner. Both parents will pay. The child's needs come first, so you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child.
You
Waited.
chose this life. You had the child with Tanner. Miss Wilson, Miss or Mrs., I'm sorry.
Miss.
Miss Wilson did not have the child. You did. The child is your responsibility, not grandmother's. whether she wanted a grandchild or not. I know a lot of grandparents that say, oh, when are you gonna have me a grandchild? I want a grandchild. They never anticipate that phrase to mean, I 100% am taking care of the child. You are unbelievable right now.
I'm not. I'm really not.
You really are.
No,
So
I'm
you know
really
what?
not.
What we're going to go ahead and do is get Miss Wilson the proper financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter. So you understand, and let me repeat it again, your daughter. So you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child. She does not have to step in and do anything.
Judge Vonda digs into the numbers. With no income details from Tanner, his support is set at minimum wage. Nikki's too, and the health insurance, covered by Dad, but Nikki will pay back her half, plus 6 months of back pay. The message is clear: parenting isn't optional.